I'm getting started on my lap steel build here. I'm using this old construction lumber for the body, which after I've planed down a little bit, I'm thinking is Doug fir, which is not ideal since it's a softwood. But that's all I had, and I kind of wanted to do it on a bit of a budget. Here are my design iterations that I've been working on. I think I have narrowed it down to something like this, which is definitely not the easiest approach for a first-time lap steel build, but I think it'll look cool if I can pull it off. Just made my cut to a bit longer than the final length, but now I have my piece that I'm working with. I finally got all of my parts, and I'm just kind of roughly laying everything out, and it's cool to actually see it start looking like a guitar. All right, after a lot of math, I think I have the rough outline. Cut here, and then I'm gonna route out this. So the whole shape is gonna be this cool curve shape, but then all of this space here is gonna be routed out. So it's gonna be, you know, half the thickness or something like that here. All right, I cut my sides, and I'm trying to figure out how to do this router bit section. I've never routed before, so I'm trying to take off as much material as I can before I start getting in there with a router. Holy shit. Didn't realize how dusty routers are. Anyways, it's coming together. All right, cutting out the headstock. Oh, I don't know how many hours in, but I'm just about to route the final pass on the headstock. Yes! Woo! I've got to sand up these edges a bit, but man, that looks awesome. All right, I'm routing the pickup cavity freehand here. Just drilled the hole between the cavity and the pickup, and this is the first time I've seen the pickup actually installed in place, which is kind of cool to see. All right, we're through. I'm getting ready to cut the holes here. And so I drew a uniform set of lines for where I'm gonna draw my holes for the tuning pegs. And I did the same on this side to try and line everything up. And now I'm just gonna punch through and hope for the best. outside in my greenhouse, and it is now time to stain. First coat is on. All of these last sort of finishing touches here are always a bit spooky. Okay, here we go. Well, it wouldn't be DIY without some janky clamp weight. Just wrapped up my lacquer for the day. I did a whole can, which came out to probably 6 or 7 coats. I think it looks pretty good. There's a few little imperfections, but overall it's got a nice shiny matte finish, which I think looks pretty good. I just got hot and cold rigged up to run in series for my humbucker. There we go. All right, and that is everything wired. Come on. All right, it's all done. I've got everything all strung up. Here's the headstock here. All the strings on, bender's all working, and I am rehearsing to practice for a song right now, so I figured I would show you what it sounds like all finished up.
Your poor little soul is wearing pretty thin. 'Cause it's a bed chain and bed.